Audio CD 2, track 47, word focus. 1. Waterfall. We swam in the stream beneath a waterfall.
2. Worthwhile. Going to this museum isn't worthwhile. It's really boring.
3. Definitely. Death Valley is definitely the hottest place in California.
4. Trail. We walked along a beautiful trail through the woods.
5. Hike. In her free time, Jessica enjoys going on hikes and playing the guitar.
6. Handle. There's no way I can handle all of this work.
7. Footwear. You need better footwear for mountain climbing.
8. Boot. Bart likes to wear boots on cold days.